So if you want to create your own talking avatars for free, this is the video for you. First, head over to this website called DupDub and create your free account and start your 3-day trial for absolutely free. DupDub offer many things such as video translation, transcribing, and much more, as you can see here. But today we want to use its talking avatar feature, so go ahead and click Avatar and then start for free, and you will come to the avatar page. You can then either use one of their preloaded images if you wish, but it's always better to generate your own character and upload it like I am going to do here. You can create a character on any image generator site, or you can even do it on DupDub, but it will cost you some of your free credits. So go ahead and upload your avatar photo and wait for it to show on the site, just like mine has here. You can edit the background and upscale it if needed, but again, it will cost you your free credits. Now the next step is getting the avatar to say the script you want it to say. You can do this on the site, and there are many voices to choose from and test. It will take some of your free credits, or you can go and generate your script on any of the many free ones out there. Select and upload your voice script like I have here. Then we are ready to generate our talking avatar. Now click the Generate button and it will begin to process your video. The process will take around 3 minutes. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you wait that long. Also, if you are interested in purchasing a subscription to DupDub to get all the perks, then here are their monthly, yearly, and pay. As you go plans, you have personal, professional, and ultimate depending on what you need. After a few minutes, your video will be ready, and you can use it for whatever you like. Let's take a look.
Are you interested in creating a faceless channel and faceless content? Well, I am fully created by AI and can be customized to look or say however you want me to.
I hope this quick tutorial helps you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for regular tutorials and how to make money with AI full courses coming very soon. Thanks.